code Biweekly Contest 79. So let's look at the first problem, which is check if number has equal digit count and digit value. So you are given a zero index string num of length n. True if every index I in the range this. The digit I occurs num I times in num, otherwise return false. So we got the length, and now we're gonna traverse this string, and we're gonna create an array of count. Basically, this is gonna store the count of 10 numbers that will be 0, 1, 2, 3 up till 9, and this would be initialized with 0. And to do that, I can use a vector 10, 0. I could also just write another for loop and initialize everything with 0, but never mind. So now I just need to convert this s of I into a number and add the count of this to the count array. Now I just need to traverse the array again and just check if this is equals. If this is true, then return, or if this is not true, return false, else return true. I am hoping this is correct. So 0 to 1, 0. So the string name is num, but I want to change it. False and false. The answer should be true here. So what is going on here? Okay, sorry, my bad. I guess this is the way. Okay. The digit 0 occurs once in num, 1 occurs twice in num, 2 occurs once in num, and 3 occurs 0 in num. So basically, the count of I should be equal to s of I minus 0. Accepted. Thank you. Let's see the standings. How do I see the standings? Ranking, whatever. Okay, 10 minutes after the contest. Okay. The next question is, you have a chat log of n messages. You are given two string arrays that are messages and senders, where messages of I is a message sent by sender I. A message is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. The word count of sender is the total number of words sent by the sender. Note that the sender may send more than one message. Return the sender with the largest word count. If there is more than one sender with the largest word count, return the one with the lexicographically largest name. Okay, so uppercase letters come before lowercase letters in lexicographical order. Okay. So first of all, let's just ignore this shit right? And let's just focus on this. So we just need to maintain a count for every sender. So I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna create a map of string comma int. So every sender and count. Right, so this is gonna count the word words for sender, right? For sender having a string something. So I'm gonna traverse I is 0, I would be 9, I plus plus, then I would be equal to, and n would be equal to messages dot length, and I'm just gonna count the number of words inside of each message. I think JavaScript would be fun for this. And let's do this. NS. Right. Oh no. Now I don't know how to take like a map in JavaScript. Okay. So I can count the number of spaces, I guess, and the number of spaces would be equivalent to, what if there is a space at the start? Can there be? Can there be a space at the start? Ah, no, that's a big question. Because I don't know if at the start we have a space or not. If we don't have, then the number of spaces plus one is the answer for this. Let's just do it then. So if s of I j, let's call this m, call this n, call this s. If m of I comma j is equals a space, I'm gonna do a count plus plus. So I'm gonna make sure that map of this guy, senders of I, would be mapped with count. Right. So I could just do this. And any additional letter, because we have like the number of spaces plus one. Right, now that we have done that, we have basically counted the number of letters for that guy, and now what we can do is uh, print out on the basis of largest guy, and now it's a problem for me. So I just have to sort this thing. if the count is greater than max or equal to greater than equal to right, and if it dot first is greater than int max string, so this might be z all the way. Now what do I do? What is the maximum length of n? In terms of 4, and sender's length is maximum 10. So let's do this. Oh, so this should be wait a second. Lexicographically largest name. That means this is fine. Right. So if I did first is greater than max s, then max s is equals to it dot first, and max is equals to it dot second. And I just have to return max is compilation level. Okay. Okay. This is a vector. Then I just have to go size.